Hi, this is week 2, knowledge check number 2. I'm going to click up here in the 4 squares, or 9 squares. Click on there. I'm going to go to the mail. And from the mail, you'll see it loading. I'm going to compose an email. And I'm going to put in, oops, not that. Oh my goodness. I'm going to click for a second, get the email address. I'm going to paste the email address right here. Knowledge Check 2. And down here, I'm going to place in homework, week 2, knowledge check 2. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to add in an attachment. And this pops up. So I'm going to say next time. I'm going to go in and find I'm going to go to my screenshots and I'm going to add in this screenshot. And I'm going to check it before I send it. Open it. Yes, that's the screenshot I'm going to send. Now I'm going to go ahead and press send. And then once I send it, I'm going to go back just to make sure and check sent email. And it has sent. Of course, I get all these pop-ups, but here's the attachment that I sent, the email, and that would be about it for sending an email.